Day another chance. Today I'll be speaking on my continuation of the project in chapter 14. Right. So what I did in chapter 14, okay, was I took right a basically went chapter 14 and I saw that I need to add the playing button. So what I did was I pretty much added a file called a button. What I did there was I pretty much insert a class. So first I had to import a file. So I imported obviously the terminal, you install a pygame.font. Install pygame. You have to install it. So what I did was I took it and I pretty much typed it out in the terminal like that. Pygame minus n install, right? Ran the pretty much ran the values in the terminal, and then through that process I was able to install pygame. So that's what you need to do. You need to install pygame first. Then after that, what I did was I inserted a class. Right, in that class I pretty much besides name it button, I pretty much added a comment. Right, and that comment was a class to build buttons for the game. So I've got my method, right, my comments, then I've got my parameter, my variable, right? So within the method, right, I got my my parameter, my parameters actually. And then I got my comment here, so I got my parameter, then I got my variable. So this measures this screen parameter, which self measures the screen, right? So this right should equal to parameter of function. So basically this is the parameter and this is the function. This is gonna measure the function, which is the screen function, right? Same thing there, the comment there. These are all the attributes, all the dimensions and properties of the button. So this is all that we need to know. Right, so yeah, this is all that we need to know. This is all that we need to do. So self parameter variable height, and then both the buttons rect object and center it. That's why the comments, right? Same thing here. So it's pretty much a repeat of methods, parameters, comments, parameter, variable, functions, right? So that's what we're doing. So that's pretty much what you're doing here. So added a button, right? So and also for alien invasion, I pretty much added another method, right? For alien invasion, which is this one. Initialize the game, create game resources. Yeah, so that's what I did there. Right, I did that. Okay. So I've added that, and then what I did was I added another. So I pretty much overall I just pretty much like added more methods in my chapter 14, like this one. Sniff from game stats import. So I added more methods for alien invasion. Right, did I add bunch Resolution methods in alien invasion, right? Or for the button, right? Uh, that's it. That's what I did. You know what I mean? So I pretty much like just add more methods for alien invasion, right? So check button. So okay. So, yeah. So I added these methods in the game, right? I added these methods. So these are methods that I've added, right? I added these, you know, just added them. Just added these methods right there. Yeah, I just got a lot of I got a lot of errors in my, so I just need to fix these errors. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, that's what I pretty much got here. You know. So I've got that diff check play button self, diff ship itself. So I've added more for my invasion. For chapter 14, I added more. I added more methods for my ship and button functions. That's what I ended up doing for my ship and button functions. Right? So settings, dev in self. So I added more settings, and in those settings, I added like pretty much like values, settings like width, height, you know, and pretty much an option to increase the speed, you know what I mean, of the game, right? Got settings. Yeah, that's what I pretty much have. You know what I mean? So yeah. So it's just more methods for my, and also more methods for my bullets as well. Because I want to have a case where I get it working, and yeah, just get it working. You know, my scoreboard. Yeah, I added another file called scoreboard here. As you can see, it's got a lot of lines, like 122 lines. Nothing compared to Alien Invasion. Alien Invasion obviously got 722 lines for the game. Import Pi game fun plus scoreboard, uh, a class report scoring information def. Right, so yeah, but God, that's what I have. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, that's what I pretty much got. Alien Invasion. Okay, guys, that's settings as well. Yeah, I got add more settings. Okay, right, guys, so yeah, that's what I've got here. Okay. Yes, I see it here. Okay. That's what I have here. It sucks, bro. Okay, but okay, yeah, as you can see. But I hope you realize what I've actually done for my chapter 14 of Python. So that's what I pretty much got. That's what I did. So it's just more methods for my bullets, more methods for my bullets, my my ship, and also I added like a button and scoreboard